another video. So today is Friday and I'm going out with Dan. Dan is a friend of mine, friends from work. The first thing we did today is we went to an ukay-ukay store and I got this mga jeans ba?
2 jeans.
Yes, siya. O siya napilian, o siya nangukay guys. Like,
Oh my God.
wala dito ang iyahang ipangita. Unya, karon kay padong sa Pacific Mall, mga amisa. Mga nasa. Yay. Mo na yung situation guys, grabe ka traffic.
Ano, ninaog na kami sa
Traffic.
masakyanan.
Sakyanan pillar, murag na yung sakyanan.
Pila na namang masakyanan, guys.
Pillar. So, actually guys, among plan is manakaimi padong Pacific Mall, but then nagsimig kanang lakaw-lakaw ba? Hangtod na abot na lang mi katunga, nag-decide na mi, di na mi makakay. Nabaktas na mi. Which is fine, kaya ingon si Dan, exercise daw niya. It's so hot, and I'm so hungry. I'm so ready to get inside the mall and eat a lot of food. A lot of rice. How many rice do you think you can finish today?
5.
Guys, this is what we got. PM1 chicken. Pare-putan ka. Dako ang taon. Mataon ka. Palamit na halo-halo. Very perfect for the season. Yan, ihapit mi diri guys sa Go Time. Kaya nag-print si Daniel siyang card. You excited? And this is only for free, which is good. I also have mine now. We finally here at J-Mall na guys. The final plan.
Shelly, ano siguro, Shelly, naglagawas na to, ano natin.
Okay.
Who's bringing a Metro bag inside SM?
Yes.
Diba?
Actually, at tuwing sa Metro ganyan, palit ko aning bag alone, 12 pesos. Para isuot ang okay. It's so pretty. Nice man dan.
Naku na siya na.
So, size down. Oh guys, nakapulit lang person.
Budol, another budol.
Another budol. To Watson's we go.